Hey, now I'm Whit. Welcome to the channel. Cadison's getting a lot of attention with this new release. Inside is the C8247 with its hammered gradient dial. Let's rip it open. Oh, check you out, Cadison. What'd you do there? And that's under the plastic wrap. Let's get it off so we can explore this one some more. And through the magic of editing, the wrap is all off, and this blue version is as good as sold out. Man, that is a vivid dial. Let's get the handset to a different position so we can see a little bit more of this, and it looks like the date was getting ready to turn over as well, so no, how's that? Wow. So the dial is what you're getting with this watch. I mean, there are a little bit of some spec pitfalls with this one, but look at that dial. That is really cool. Look at it. Now, I wonder if it can't be actually hammered, right? It's got to be probably a textured cast of plastic or something, right? But it has a hammered metal look to it. In person, I think even more so than on camera. The color is crisp. Oh, that is cool. All right, let me tell you what you get here. So 316L stainless steel case, plus beads of rice bracelet, a domed mineral crystal with anti-reflective coating on the underside. You can see some of the blue hue here on the edge. A signed screw-down crown with some nice knurling there. A screw-down solid case back with 100 meters of water resistance. I didn't leave you out. Ready? Standard spring bars on the bracelet. You've got push pins for sizing. Not the prettiest fully milled clasp, but it is there. Small here on this side, and you've only got 3 micro adjusts. Yeah, the brushing and the steel quality level on that clasp doesn't really match the bracelet. It's a little nicer on the bracelet and the watch head itself. Now, it's supposed to have green color luminescence throughout the dial here, and I'll give you that lume shot in a little while, and I'll try it on too. But first, let me give you some measurements. So it's about 40 millimeters in diameter, 47 millimeters lug-to-lug length, 20 millimeter lug width, and a taper down to 18 millimeters on the bracelet at the clasp. The crown's just about 6.5 millimeters in diameter, and there's an overall thickness of 12.7 millimeters. And the 8247 weighs about 141 grams with all links on the supplied bracelet. All right, before I try it on, I want to get some nice close-ups of this dial because this definitely is the star of the show. I just absolutely love this blue, and the way that the gradient heads towards the chapter ring just really complements it nicely. And I like this handset too. I'm not really a fan of that skeleton style usually, but again, this just allows more of that color of the dial to pop through and not be interrupted. Very nice. Oh, I forgot to tell you the movement inside, so I can do that while we're looking at these close-ups anyway. This is the Miyota 8215 automatic movement. 21 joules, beats at 21,600 vibrations per hour. About a 42-hour power reserve. Has automatic and hand winding. And as you can see, this does have stop seconds device or hacking. And there's a stated accuracy of about -20 to +40 seconds per day. And just a quick glimpse of it on my time grapher. Not a full reading, but just one position, dial up, and after only one pass through, you see it coming in at +2 seconds per day, amplitude of 281 degrees, and a little bit of a beat air at 0.2 milliseconds. But back to the dial, I love these indices, and they just have this little silver tip and a little kind of design near the chapter ring too. That really just kind of adds a little depth and a little flair to it. That is very well done. I'm impressed. And then the 6 o'clock date window is a nice addition. And I love the white with the black numerals in this case, because I believe that white background date window matches those indices nicely. It's a really bright white on the top of those indices, and then that ties right into that chapter ring, which looks great when you see it towards the edge of the crystal, so you get a little bit of that distortion there. That is really nice, man. The dial looks great on this one. All right, let me try it on for you. But first, today I'm wearing the Baltony S4101, another little beauty gem that you can pick up on AliExpress or the Baltony website as well. I've got a unboxing video I did on this one if you want to check it out. Just a beautiful small seconds watch. It's a dress watch that, you could get away with wearing every day, I think, as more of a kind of casual watch. And there it is on my 8-inch wrist, and that is a beauty. I haven't sized it yet, and you can see that I would take out at least one link, maybe two. But man, that 40 millimeters is beautiful. I think that sits nicely on my wrist, and it probably would on yours as well, don't you think? Cool looking beads of rice style bracelet. Yeah, this is a looker. Okay, this is about normal for Cadisen. They're not really known to be part of the Loom game. But the handset seems to be a little bit brighter than the indices, and everything seems to be fading pretty quickly. Though the handset is, considerably stronger and looks like it might last a little longer. So at the time of this recording, these just came out, so you might not find the best deal on them just yet. Maybe some of the sales upcoming will give you a better price, but these are around $140 US, and it does come in a blue dial like you see here. You've got a white dial and a gray. But man, I think this blue dial is the showstopper. It's just a electric, blue. It's very beautiful. I mean, this dial is the star of the show, that's for sure. So again, with that $140 price, if that is the full price, I think if you're paying that, it's because you are in love with this dial. What do you think of this one? The Cadisen C8247. Brand new release from them. Leave your comments down below. And if you got time, I got a couple other videos here you might enjoy. I'm Whit with so many watches, so little time and money.